Make a great choice today with
the 2025 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.